Okay, so now I have a square shape. You can do this with just about any shape. If I were to do this with a circle, what I would do is take any piece of cardboard, take some kind of round bottom item, a jar, a can of beans, anything, draw a circle. Smaller circles are harder to cut out than larger circles, and the material matters. So, for instance, this corrugated cardboard is going to be fairly hard to cut out. Usually what you want to do is cut it down to a more manageable size. You don't want to be cutting out with large pieces. You just want to make sure that it's closer to the actual size. And what you really want to do with circles and other organic shapes is you really do want to score it. So I'm going halfway through right now. I'm just going around halfway through. And again, this is much harder with something like corrugation because you're cutting through uneven layers. And now I'm going to go through my second time, making sure I'm getting all the way through that bottom layer of paper. And see how I keep moving my fingers so that I am not anywhere near close to cutting myself. These knives are very dangerous. So now I have a circular piece of corrugated cardboard. If it's thin, like Bristol board or the cereal box, you can really easily just go ahead and glue it. So again, I would just tack one side of it so you're not fighting it, and then just work your way around gluing it. And then you could have some kind of round circle. If you aren't using cardboard that's really thin like this, and it was thicker, you could take a strip and go ahead and score it. So, for instance, if I were taking this and it were a strip, I could go ahead and lightly score it at intervals. And it's going to bend whatever direction that those little slices are in. So, like that, right? If I wanted it to go the opposite direction, I would want to slice on this side. So the slices currently are on this side. I'm going to do slices, whoops, watch those fingers. So I could go this direction like an S, right?